All right, so for this video, our problem says, find the decimal and fraction equivalent of the given percent. So what we're given here is we're told that the sales tax rate in a city is 8.3%. So they want us to take this 8.3% and they want us to change it to a decimal and then to a fraction. All right, so if we're starting with 8.3%, in order to go from a percent to a decimal, the rule for that says to take the decimal point and move it 2 times to the left. And that's where our new decimal point is going to go. Any empty spots you fill in with zeros. All right, so our decimal equivalent is 0.083. And that's what our decimal is going to look like. So that's the first part to the problem. The second part to the problem says to give it as a fraction. So what we want to do is we want to take this decimal and we want to convert it to a fraction now. Now the way that you do that is this. The number to the right of the decimal is going to be your numerator. So to the right of the decimal, I have the number 83, right? Ignoring all the zeros, this is just an 83. That is going to be your numerator for your fraction. Now your denominator is going to come from the place value of your rightmost digit. So when I look at this decimal, go all the way to the right. And the last number that I have is a 3. Now, what place value is that for a decimal? So if we look at place value, this 0 is the tenths, the 8 is the hundredths, and the 3 is the thousandths. So since the 3 falls in the thousandths spot, our denominator is going to be 1,000. So that means our fraction is 83 thousandths. So that is the decimal and the fraction equivalent of that. That is it for this video.